So we are using the try to using one any others color pencil. It is help you to the basic shapes and draw. So let's at least try two type of drawing one page. So you can create a circle. Okay. Circle. Just make this part. Every drawing we are making like this part first. Okay. Okay, like this. This is the basic steps I do first. Okay, this is the basic steps I do first. Basic steps. If you hello. হ্যাঁ 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 ঠিক আছে ও জয়েন করেছে না না আমি পাঠিয়ে দিয়েছি হ্যাঁ 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 পাঠিয়ে দিয়েছি হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে ওকে ওকে সেম লিঙ্ক এভরিডে না ঠিক okay so now the basic shape is done now we are going to some good morning some tribal characters I draw.
Can you wait for 2 minutes?
Yeah, please. Okay, can I start now for that? So now just after that, this is the eyes line. So you can make it. This is the eyes. That much area is the eyes. Okay. So here to here, I half it. Here to this line half it is a nose. This line to this line I make it the 3 point 1, 2. So here to here I make 3 point 1, 2. So 1, 2, 3 gap. This is the mouth part, this is the nose part, this is the eyes part. This is the first you are do this. If you understand this part, it's very easy to draw the characters. Okay. So I make today character design. Okay. Done that much, I'll go ahead to the next point. Done, right? Okay, so I can create the nose for this line. Okay, how to create a character design. Okay, character design for the animation movie. So we are show the animation movie character design. Okay. So this is I draw eyes over here. Okay, like this. This is eyes. Like this. This is very okay. Like this, you can draw over here. Then here's the ear. The same line. Okay, this line is the ear over here. Okay, make it the eyebrow. they're wearing some cloth here. Okay. After the cloth, the hair starts. See, this is hair starts. Like this, it's the hair starts over here. Okay. Yes, just a second. I finish. Must make it. Okay, this is character designing for animation movie. Finish approximately Pragadish, and then otherwise I can send that picture. You finish at home, okay, beta? You can start the next drawing. I send this picture now. You finish at home after the drawing complete, okay, beta? After the class complete, you can see and draw, okay, beta? So now next character I want to start. Okay, beta. Pragadish also start the next character. So first the basic shape circle. Okay, line and line. This first make this. Okay, very simple. First make this circle, this line and this line. Okay, this is the nose line. This is the eyes line. First steps. Okay, fine. Circle. Okay. After this line, so this is your eyes line, so you can draw eyes over here. See, this is eyes line, so I can draw eyes over here. Okay, this is some caricature drawing, so we are creating some caricature. So here is the eyes, this is nose line. First make, yeah, very nice. Burnish, fine, very good, very good. I like it. Burnish, very good. Okay. Then start this drawing, first circle. Okay, this is the neck. I draw the neck. Okay. This is a neck. The basic shape is like this. So here is a nose. It's the eyes line. Here is a nose line. There is a nose.
Sir?
Yes. There is a mouth.
So I
Yes, beta, tell me. Okay, just make first circle, beta. Make first circle this much. Okay, and make the eyes line and nose line. The first steps. I draw over here the first steps. First steps is that I draw over here first steps. Okay, beta. First steps, draw one circle and make it this line. The first steps. Nose line and eyes line. And then the neck. These are first steps. Okay, beta. Then here the nose line. Here the mouth line. First do like this.
Sir,
Yes.
your video is a little
Little blurry.
no, sir, it's lagging a little.
Lagging. Okay, let's check. Hi. Let's check. Friend. Why friend? Let it. Okay, basic shape is done. Now, so now after that, I just add here over here. See, this is the nose. I draw her nose. Okay. Like this. This is a nose. Okay. Prakash, understood, beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Bernish, understood, beta?
Yes, sir.
Now I just make it. See, this is here. I draw here like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. Very simple here. 4 here only. And here also here. This is also here. Very simple. And this is eyes line, so you can ear line, so you can make it ear like this. आराम से. This is the mouth, like this. Okay. You can make a mustache. Like this. Okay. I can make one side shading. Like this. From the ear also you can make some hair like this. Okay, this is the characters, caricatures kind of.